Hey, welcome to Joe's Watch Show. I'm Joe. We're going to do a super quick unboxing of two watches I just got in the mail. They were so cheap that I had to check them out and see what was what. To me, they look like these watches, which are Luminox Swiss-made watches. This is a Carbinox Master Carbon Luminox 300-meter dive watch. And the yellow dial one, which is a Pacific diver. So that's what they look like to me. They even have tritium, supposedly. So let's open these up and take a peek. And again, these are Addiesdives, which is a pretty good brand. Okay, this is the one with the silicone strap. So believe it or not, I believe this was $18, which I think is ridiculous. The strap alone, I guess you could pay for that. Does look a lot like, yep. So one of the things that was confusing was the actual size that was noted in the description. Some said it was a 50-meter diameter, case diameter. Some said 44. So definitely 44. 50 would be obviously way too big. So these are quartz watches as well. So 14 millimeters, which is pretty thick for a quartz watch, but for the money you pay for these, don't know if the tritium actually works. So we're going to turn the lights off real quick and see. I'm going to say no on the tritium. So maybe it's Lume, who knows, but for the money we paid, that'd be an awesome beater. Let's look at the other one. I believe this one may even have a stainless steel strap. And it is not. It's a different color. I guess I ordered two silicone straps. But this is like a black IP case. This is a stainless steel case. Still a nice looking watch. Hard to beat. So if it actually works, these are still wrapped in plastic. So we'll do actual quick reviews next time, but I would want to do a quick unboxing. I don't know how you beat these watches. Well, if they don't break, but I don't know how you beat them for the dollars. I may order the stainless steel band one, which was, I think, $22. So, all right, great stuff. Great values out there on AliExpress, which is where I got them. I will put affiliate links down in the video. So if you want to order these, you can. And we'll see you on the next show. And thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you later.